Parts of Metro Manila, Bulacan, Cavite, Laguna, and Rizal will have power interruptions this week because of maintenance works, Meralco said on Sunday. In Metro Manila, some areas in Barangay Bagong Silangan, Barangay Batasan Hills, and Barangay Payatas in Quezon City will have no power on January 12 to 13 between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. because of the line reconstruction works along those streets. Also, some places in Barangay Matandang Balarang, Quezon City will have no electricity on January 16 to 17 between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. because of line reconductoring works and replacements of poles along Perio Road. In Muntinlupa City, some areas in Barangay Alabang, Barangay Bayanan, Barangay Putatan, and Barangay Tunasan will have no power on January 12 to 13 between 11:30 p.m. and 4:30 a.m. due to the replacement of poles, line reconstruction works, and installation of additional lighting protection devices along Bautista Street. In Las Piñas City, some areas in Barangay BF International Village, Barangay Manila 2, and Barangay Pulang Lupa 2 have power interruptions on January 14 to 15 between 11:30 p.m. and 4:30 a.m. on several time periods because of the replacement of hazardous electricity poles along CAA Road in Barangay BF International Village. On January 15, the whole St. Mary Homes subdivision in Barangay Almanza 1, Las Piñas City will have no electricity between 8:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. because of line reconstruction works. In Bagombong, Caloocan City, Kingstown Executive and Cliff Subdivision, Kingstown Subdivision, Phases 1 and 2, Princestown Subdivision, Queensville Subdivision, in Riconville 3 subdivision will have no electricity on January 15 between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. because of the upgrading of facilities in Kingstown Subdivision Phase 2. In Navotas City, some places in Barangay Daang Hari and Barangay Poblacion will have no power off on January 16 to 17 between 11:30 p.m. and 4:30 a.m. due to the installation of poles and upgrading of electricity facilities along M. Naval Street. In the provinces, several villages in Angat Doña Remedios, Trinidad, Norzagaray, San Rafael, San Ildefonso, San Jose del Monte City, and Pandi in Bulacan will have power interruptions on January 12 between 12:01 a.m. and 1 a.m. and between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. because of testing and repair works inside Meralco, Sapang Palay Substation. Also, some places along Zigzag Road in Barangay Malhacan, Mikoayan City, Bulacan will have no power on January 16 to 17 and 10 a.m. and 3 a.m. due to the installation of electricity pole and upgrading and replacement of electricity facilities along Zigzag Road in Zigzag Hills compound. Some villages and places in Hagonoy, Pambong, Bulacan will also have power interruptions on January 17 to 18 on several intervals between 11 p.m. and 11:59 p.m. and between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. due to the preventive maintenance of testing works inside the Meralco Malola substation. In Cavite, some areas in Barangay Malagasang 1B, Barangay Malagasang 1C, Barangay Malagasang 1D, and Barangay Malagasang 1G in Imus City will have no power on January 14 between 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. because of the upgrading of electricity. Also, some locations in Barangay Mendez Crossing East and Barangay Patutong, Malaki South, Tagaytay City will have power interruptions on January 14 between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. due to the installation of electricity facilities. Some areas in Barangay Banahaw 1, Barangay Banahaw 2, Barangay Ipil 1, Barangay Ipil 2, Barangay Bulihan and Barangay Yakal in Silang, Cavite will have no electricity on January 15 to 16 between 11:30 p.m. and 3:30 a.m. due to the upgrading of electricity facilities and line maintenance works. In Laguna, some parts of Barangay Makiling in Calamba City will have no power on January 15 to 16 between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. due to the line reconstruction works and installation of electricity facilities along Pan-Philippine Highway. Also, some areas in Barangay Bambang and the whole of Camp 224th Eldridge in Barangay Lalaca and Los Baños, Laguna, will have no electricity on January 15 to 16 between 11:30 p.m. and 3:30 a.m. due to the relocation of electricity facilities. Several areas and villages in Magdalena, Liliu, Mahayhay, Santa Cruz, and Pila in Laguna will have short power interruptions on January 18 between 7:30 a.m. and 8 a.m. and between 12 p.m. and 12:30 p.m. due to the retirement of electricity facilities along Malaya Kalayaan transmission line. In Rizal, areas James Street in Peña Francia subdivision, Purok 3, Barangay Kupang, Antipolo City will have no power on January 16 between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. due to the installation of electricity facilities and line reconductoring works. This is Yesha Alia Angela F. Javier reporting.